জয় মা বগলামুখী দেবীর জয়। Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogla Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measure that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one day video, so if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion and I will accept that. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new in this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from my channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measure. Today 20th September 2020. So let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. Hard work will yield good result today. Stress will reduce and due to increased love in a married life. You will plan some tourism with your life partner today and you might begin a new work in your life. Be polite with others in the whole of your day. And the lucky number for the day of you is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Keep your mom happy in this whole day. As you can do this, that will be better for you. Then let's talk about the second Taurus in the zodiac. You will dominate opponents today. Body pain might trouble you and you should bring changes in your thoughts. You will try to bring innovation in employment. Your money will be spent on some disease treatment, so be careful about these things. Your importance in the family will increase today, and the lucky number for the day is 7 for you, and there is a remedy for you. Don't drink milk at night. Instead you can eat cheese or yogurt. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. Arguments can occur with your friends, so be careful. It will be not good for you and your friend also. Do not disrespect the elders. You can get carried away with love relationships today, and keep your character good to everyone. Do not worry too much in unnecessary tasks. Do not rush into any task. And the lucky number for the day for you is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Throwing raw turmeric in running water will improve your financial situation in life, so make it as early as possible. Then let's talk about Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. You'll be worried about your self-esteem. Dealing in a property might give you handsome returns today, and clever and vicious people might have their eyes on your accumulated wealth, so be careful. Seasonal fever and allergic problems may occur in your life today, and the lucky number for the day for you is 9, and there is a remedy for you. At the beginning of any good work, keep it in an earthen pot or a jug, filled it with milk. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. You might do some shopping as per your needs. People will give a great importance to your thought and advice today, and the day is favorable for repaying loans. You will enjoy joyful time with your family members and your friends also, and you will participate in a social activities today. And the lucky number for the day is 7 for you, and there is a remedy for you. Blessed by touching her feet by serving sweets and food to a little girl. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Don't debate with the elders, otherwise you might get humiliated. You will be excited about future plans today, and you will try to make a new disease. You will be very active on internet and social media today, and that will be not good for you. Women natives will plan to go to their maternal home today, and the lucky number for the day for you is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Keep things related to rhythm such as square pieces of silver when creating a home scare. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. You will be busy in studying and thinking about philosophical topics. Don't waste a good time for nothing. Do not trust anyone blindly today, and you will remain enamored towards comfort and luxury. You should be serious about your career today, and the lucky number for the day for you is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Keep silver dishes at home at your eyesight. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. You are advised to take decision thoughtfully today. Business people should avoid lending or borrowing money today, and there might be a conflict with some dear friend. Due to lack of a proper sleep, you might feel headache today, and therefore you make sure to take into rest. And the lucky number for the day for you is 1, and there is a remedy for you. If you take rice from your mother and keep it for yourself, it will help in financial improvement for your life. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. Students will get excellent opportunities in career. Your advisories will try to stay away from you. You would be inspired to do something new today, and take care of your life partner's needs and feelings. There will be a growth in income for people who are associated with production sector, and that should be any kind of production. And the lucky number for the day for you is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Donate milk or milk made product to other people at will. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. Your teamwork will be appreciated today. Students will remain concerned about their career, and you will be under pressure due to responsibilities. You might give some gift to fascinate your love partner. There will be some progress in import-export related business today, and the lucky number for the day for you is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Going to a religious places will have a good effect on your destiny letter. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. You will feel boredom at home. You will try to correct your mistakes today, and married life will be pleasant. Some of your billings might get damaged. You may get the stuck money back, and your lucky number for the day is 4. And there is a remedy for you. Serve the worker milk or milk-made product today. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. You might miss some good opportunities today, and you will be worried about your siblings' career. Don't overwork than needed. You will not get expected benefits in business travel today. And people associated with the political field should remain careful about giving any statement to anyone else. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Receive their blessings by touching the feet of old people and children also. Anyway, this was the judgment of Arise to Peace from today's match, and her question and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagola Devi, like every day, let Hey Ma keep everyone well and keep them healthy, and create a situation so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy. Maybe I am here today. I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measure to judge pieces from the Arise in front of you. Take care for the day, and goodbye.